Hello everyone, I'm going to be opening a booster pack of Magic the Gathering Theros, and let me open it. I don't know what is inside the pack, so we're going to see. And the first card that we have is a Nylea's Presence. Okay, next card is called Asphodel Wanderer. Next card is Messenger's Speed, Mnemonic Wall, Demolish, and the next card, Traveler's Amulet, Wave Crash Triton, Setasan Griffin, Time to Feed, Heliod's Emissary. Okay, next card is Arena Athlete, Artisan Sorrow, and the rare card is a Fleecemane Lion. Okay, it's a lion. Lightning, oh, it's foil. Foil Lightning Strike. I guess it's a common foil. Swamp and the code, no, it's not a code card. Like Pokemon, no. Thanks, bye-bye.